hair. This is my hair. It grew out the scalp.
It is drawstring and it does have that C design on the side for your ear tabs. This is the wig right here. Look at this part. It is absolutely amazing. It is pre-cut, pre-bleached. The lace is already cut on this wig. This is the wig right here. Oh my gosh, it looks so good and natural.
Alright guys, here we have the hair in all of its glory. Very simple wig, okay? So let me tell you, while I use my foundation and a brush, put a little color to the lace. My first wig has done is created this custom C shape right here that makes it easier to wear around your ears. We're gonna wear this glueless. That's what you have straight on the head. Where is the lace? As you can see, the custom C design fits around that ear perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is pin it up really quick because I want to draw the string. See that string right there? Just pull it. So, and then pull that part. So don't move. And then you can just tuck this string. And that just makes the wig fit super tight and snug. Oh my gosh, like perfect. Chef kiss my first wig. Let's take a wax stick. You really don't have to do much. Like, what do I have to do? We're gonna take a hot comb, this thing's smoking, and just comb through that wax. Oh, I love the texture of this hair. This is my favorite texture hair. It flat irons good, it lasts good. If I can scrape some hairspray out of here. And can. And just take my hot comb and go through that as well. I'm just gonna flat iron the hair. Somebody get here. Get here and look how good this looks. What? I ain't tricking y'all. Look at that. This my hair. I don't care what y'all say. This my hair. This my hair. It grew out the scalp.